Welcome to the League of Women Voters of Arizona's discussion of the propositions appearing on the Arizona 2024 election ballot. We'll be sharing information on ballot propositions. The League of Women Voters of Arizona is a nonpartisan grassroots civic organization that encourages informed and active participation in government, works to increase understanding of major public policy issues, and influences public policy through education and advocacy. With over 100 years of experience, the League is one of America's oldest and most trusted civic nonprofit organizations. Thank you for viewing today. An informed voter is a powerful voter. Know before you go vote. Look at the November ballot and the tools we have to complete our ballots. You'll find more information on vote411.org, a League program, and the voter guide brought to us by the Clean Elections Commission. And remember to start at the bottom of your ballot and complete the whole ballot. On your ballot, you'll have all the candidates for federal offices: President, Vice President, Senate, and Congress, statewide offices, and our state legislature, which includes 30 senators and 60 representatives that are elected every 2 years, county offices, local city councils, and school boards. We will also be deciding if we'll retain or remove judges. And finally, the propositions. You'll find the statewide measures, including initiatives brought forward by the legislature or citizens to amend or make new laws. Referendums, which are citizen-led, to stop a law from being enacted, and local bonds and overrides. The proposition that impacts the citizens' initiative process is Proposition 136, the proposed amendment to the Constitution by the legislature relating to ballot measures, legal challenges to constitutionality of initiatives amendment. A yes vote on Proposition 136 allows legal challenges to voter-initiated ballot measures before the election to stop it from being placed on the ballot. Permits courts to block measures from appearing on the ballot if deemed unconstitutional. Amends the Arizona Constitution to enable pre-election lawsuits on ballot measures. A no vote on Proposition 136 keeps the current law requiring constitutional challenges to voter-initiated measures after voter approval. Prevents lawsuits from blocking measures before they appear on the ballot. Challenges can only occur after a measure has passed. Those in support for Proposition 136 argue that out-of-state special interests often push unworkable or unconstitutional measures onto Arizona's ballot. This proposition allows the Arizona Supreme Court to review initiatives before they reach voters, blocking those deemed unconstitutional. Ensures only lawful measures appear on the ballot, protecting the integrity of the election process. Those against Proposition 136 argue that this proposition undermines Arizona's voters' voice by allowing special interests to bring costly lawsuits against citizen petitions before they reach the ballot. A no vote will protect the citizen initiative process, ensuring Arizona voters retain the power to shape state policies directly. The citizen initiative process already includes checks like single subject rules, legislative review, and fiscal analysis for legality and accountability. Proposition 136 could be used to block initiatives in court, empowering special interests and weakening citizens' influence on state laws. Legislatures pushing this measure aim to create barriers to direct democracy, making it harder for voters to bypass political gridlock. And just a reminder of these important election dates to mark on your calendar. October 7th is the voter registration deadline. Between October 9th and November 1st, we'll begin our in-person early voting. October 25th is the last day to request an early mail-in ballot. October 29th is the last day to mail in your early ballot. November 5th is Election Day. In-person ballot or drop-off mail ballot by 7 p.m. And our polls will open at 6 a.m. If you are a registered voter, your rights are protected under federal law. Every registered voter is eligible to vote. Your right to a ballot is protected under the Voting Rights Act. The Help America Vote Act ensures that all individuals who visit a voting location will be allowed to vote. If you do not have the proper identification and a poll worker says you are ineligible, you must be allowed to vote with a provisional ballot. Remember, there are 13 ballot propositions, so please go to vote411.org to read the analysis of each one. Your vote is your voice. And if you are at vote411.org, thank you for becoming an informed voter. For additional questions, feel free to email us at lwvazadvocacy@gmail.com.